Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here today. I thought it would be fun to show you how to build on to this. So if you watch the last video, you'll know how to make this, or you already made it. Um, you're gonna have to attach a string, or if you already made one, leave extra string. But we need to get up to the top here. So we're gonna string our beads to go all the way up to this clear. Okay, so I want to connect these. I think I'm going to do, it's kind of just like freestyle, so bear with me. 3 pink, a clear, and 3 orange. Let's see if that'll be long enough. Let's do 2 clear in the middle. Cool. Alright, so 3 orange, 2 clear, 3 yellow. Oops. 3 yellow, 2 clear, 3 green. I think that looks pretty cool. 3 green, 3 blue. Whoops. 2 clear. I guess let me know if you like this add-on freestyle to a cuff, because I could probably do more of these. I just like, I came up with this idea for this cuff, and then after I finished it, I just felt like inspired to continue making, or continue adding to it. I felt like it could use more. So I'm just um, I'm just adding 3 of each color and then putting 2 clear in the middle and going through the middle clear. Alright, now I think I want to get back down to the base. So I went through this clear. Now I'm going to go through all these pink beads to get down to the base here. And my string's getting short, so I'm gonna have to add some. I'm going all the way through to get to this middle orange bead. That looks pretty cool. I don't know what you guys think, but I think that's pretty cool. Alright, I'm gonna add some string, so hold on a second. Okay guys, I added a long piece of string and put my needle back on. So yeah, let's just continue. I think I'm gonna add 5 clear beads. And I'm gonna go through the middle yellow. Yeah, I'm gonna continue to do that. So I'm gonna add 5 clear beads and then go through the middle of each bead or each color. Whoops. So I'm always adding the five clear and then going through the middle of each color here. Alright, I think that looks pretty cool. Alright, I'm gonna keep doing that and then I'll be back. Okay, I finished adding the 5 clear all the way around, and I ended up coming through this orange bead and then up these 3 clear. So now I'm going to add on to this even more. I'm going to add 4 yellow, and I'm going to add 1 clear. And I'm going to go through this clear up here. I'm going to add a clear, and then I'm going to add 4 yellow, and I'm going to go through this middle clear bead. Oh, it looks cool. Alright, the next color is green. So I'm going to add 4 green and 1 clear. And then I'm going to go through this clear bead. Oh, my string's caught. There we go. Alright, I'm going to add a clear and 4 green. Maybe it'll be easier to show it this way. And then I'm going to go through this middle clear bead down here. The next color is blue, so 4 blue, 1 clear, and then we're going to go through this clear bead. I'm going to add 1 clear, 4 blue, and then we're going to go through this clear bead. Yeah, I think maybe it looks better this direction. You'll have to let me know. The next color is pink, so 4 pink and 1 clear, and then we're going to go through this clear bead. I'm going to add 1 clear and 4 pink. I'm going to go through this clear bead. Alright, let's take a look at it. Oh, that looks really cool. I can't wait to get the other side done. Alright, I'm going to finish this, and then I'm going to show you how to get to the other side, and we're going to do the same thing that we did over here on the other side. Alright, I finished that. You know, this is just an afterthought, but I think this would look so cool if it was like a different, I wish I would have maybe done a different color to make this outline stand out, but it still looks cool. Alright, so I'm at the end here. I need to go through this middle, all three of these clear beads, and these two yellow beads. Alright, I'm bringing my string through and I'm flipping this over. So we're out at the yellow. We need to go through these two yellow. Okay, so we're going to add the 5 clear, and we're going to go through the middle orange bead. Five clear, we're going to go through this middle pink bead. Five clear, we're going to go through the middle blue. Ah, that looks so cool. Alright, I'm going to finish doing the clear, and then I'll show you how to get started on the next part. I'll be back. I finished the clear. This is the end here, so I need to go through this middle yellow and up 3 of these clear. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing we did on the other side. So I'm going to add 4 orange, and 1 clear. And then we're going to go through this middle clear. I'm going to add a clear, and then 4 orange, and we're going to go through this middle clear bead. Oh, I like it. Next color is pink, so 4 pink and 1 clear, and we're going to go through this clear bead. We're going to add a clear and 4 pink. We're going to go through this clear bead. Four blue, 1 clear. We're going to go through this clear bead at the top. Whoops. We're going to add 1 clear and 4 blue. We're going to go through this clear. Alright, so that's what it's looking like. Alright, I'm going to finish this and then I'll be back. I'm all finished, guys. I went through this clear bead. Now I'm going to tie this off. Yeah, you guys are going to have to let me know if you like these freestyle videos. Like, I've never made this before. This is the first time. Like I said, I made the underneath, and I just felt like it needed something. And this definitely turned out pretty cool. Someone should definitely try to do this outside, like in a different color, because that would stand out. I think that would be really cool. All right, well, until next time, see you guys.